Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. And I hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, thank you. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy my videos. So, this is another unbagging from Amazon, and it is below $10. So, if you've been following me, I unbagged a canvas that was with, I don't know, I call them a little series of canvases because they're all within the same type of image. So, it was the one where the ladies, the friends, whatever you want to call them. And I am pulling this completely off. But anyway, I really like this image, the image of these women, and I wanted to get all of them. So I went ahead and bought them. And what it is, well, first off, this is poured glue. And it is the image of the friends, the ladies. I don't know what this is actually called because they have no title. But there's like a series of them. And I know of 3. I bought one prior. And then I got this one. So, this is a 35 by 35. There are 22 colors. Looks like they are DMC coated on this chart, if you can see it. So before we get into the canvas, let's get into the drills and the kit. So this one, let me see. I've got all these written down over here. This one was $6.99, so not bad. But it's got an average toolkit, which is just the pink pen, green boat, and a little square of wax. And the drills, okay, the drills do have the canvas number on the drill, so if you store these separately from the canvas, you'll be able to know that these drills go with this canvas. But the DMC numbers are not on the drills, but that's okay because they're on the canvas. So let's get into this. And see what these look like. Alright. Let's see, where's number 1? Alright, so there are some pink, or peachy, pinky, looks like black, some browns, oranges, and they look good. Like I have said in previous videos, these drills, I have never had an issue with any of the drills that come packaged like this. I've never had any static. That is a pretty blue. What is the DMC number of this? What is that? 3846 is this blue. Very pretty. And I'm imagining that's going to be the majority of the background. So, the drills look good. And like I said, I've never had any issues with these type of drills. They've always been really good. And I don't ever even really find any trash in them. So, that's wonderful. So, I'm going to bring y'all down. And I apologize for the glare of my overhead light, but it's cloudy here today. I do have my window open, but there just wasn't enough light. So that's why I had to turn on the overhead. So it looks like the schematic is going to be it's going to be numbers and letters. And like I said, the DMC numbers are on the schematic. And you do have the thumbnail at the top, and you've got a schematic on the top left and on the bottom right. So, and I just love that these images are so colorful. And the canvas itself, the drill field, looks very clear. They have a light number on dark background for the most part. Maybe I ought to just call this the Friend series, because there's always more than one woman. So it's like friends out for a stroll, gathering flowers. And then there's the other one that I had that I unboxed a few weeks ago. Oh, what was it? Crap. I don't remember which one it was, but yeah, looks very good. And for $6.99, I don't think this is bad at all, y'all. I really don't. So, yeah. So what do y'all think about it? Not bad. Not bad at all. So, have any of y'all done these canvases? I think, like I said, they're very cute, and I would like to get all of them. So, all right, y'all. Well, if you got any questions or comments, just leave them below, and I will put a link to this canvas and everything in my description box. And until my next video, y'all, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.